Hi, welcome to prpubs.us. My name is Adam Kroom, and I'm going to navigate you through the different aspects of the prpubs.us course site. The first thing that you'll want to do when you reach the site is sign in. You can do that either with your OU 4x4 or by creating a username and password. Here you can set your social profile. Signing in isn't required, but it will allow you to participate in the forum discussions. The first tab on the top menu is where you'll find the course syllabus. If you're an OU student taking this for credit, this is where you'll find the most explicit information about course objectives, assigned text, assignments, grading, etc. You'll also find information on what I call the course toolbox, which gives you insight into what pieces of technology this course will be utilizing. Last, you'll find a course calendar, which has all the important dates embedded in it. This will evolve over time as necessary, so be sure to check back here. For a shortcut to the calendar, you'll find the same calendar linked at the top menu. Let's look now at a lesson in the Lesson tab. Click on Lesson 1, Orientation. When you open a lesson, you'll be looking for 4 major items. Number 1, the quiz due date. Each lesson is followed up by a true-false quiz. Next, you'll be looking for any text that I have written to give you guidance. 3, look for any attachments. Most lessons have videos or documents attached to them that are embedded within the assignments. This will give you a snapshot of what those are inside the assignment. Last, you'll be looking for the actual assignments that will happen for each lesson. You'll notice that for Lesson 1, you're required to complete 7 different items. Read the syllabus, build your blog, submit your domain address, write your first blog post, build your technology toolkit that we were talking about in the syllabus, participate in a Google Hangout that will be taking place at the end of the week, and then finally, taking a quiz. The quizzes are located inside Desire to Learn, available at learn.ou.edu. You'll notice that I'm actually viewing this website inside of D2L. You can access prpubs either by logging into D2L or going to prpubs.us. If you do it inside of D2L, you'll notice that the D2L menu bar, which has your quizzes, is right above here. I don't have the student view, so I can't show you a step-by-step how to get to the quiz since mine is instructor, but you'll usually find it under assignments and quizzes. Here's a sample look at the actual quiz for Lesson 1. You'll notice that they are all true-false questions. Lesson quizzes are simple. Do the work and earn the credit. Through these quizzes, you will self-assess if you've completed the work. Note that all quizzes are governed by the OU Honor Code. If you self-report that you do something when you indeed did not, it's a violation of the Honor Code and subject to penalties listed in the OU Guide of Academic Integrity. Next, you'll find the student blog role. When you create a post on your domain, it'll syndicate to this blog role. Here you can explore what other students are doing in the course. There's nothing here because course hasn't started, but this will be very helpful for sharing and gathering tips from other students. Next, you'll find Wiki on the top menu bar. Currently, this isn't fully fleshed out, but here's where you'll find Wiki articles to content that's also embedded in lessons. Think of this as your reference textbook. You'll find articles, readings, videos, and external links here that will be valuable to you throughout your course. Last, you'll find the forum. This is a nice centralized space for conversations. Check these occasionally for activity. That's the big picture view of prpubs.us. I hope you enjoy the course. Now go be incredible.